Hi guys, Miss Bifford and Cora here. We are going to demonstrate how to play our new game for week 2, Square Doubling Addition. Super simple game, working on a lot of important math skills. Number 1, rolling dice, recognizing dot patterns. We call that subitizing. Number 2, when we're adding up our rows and columns, we are working on mental math, looking for friendly numbers, looking for doubles. And then when we add up our sums to get our total sum, we might get to regroup. But super simple regrouping with 2-digit numbers. And then having a conversation about which number is greater and which number is less. Super simple, but all really important math skills. So week 2 game is going to be simple. I want you to be able to play this with anyone in your home, including little brothers and sisters, okay? Because I know a lot of you have little brothers and sisters. So really good game because we're working on some really important math skills and really important math vocabulary. All right, so we're going to demonstrate how this goes.